Do you ever feel like you understand English, but when it's time to speak, your mind goes blank? You can watch movies, you understand podcasts, you read books, but when you open your mouth, nothing comes out. You stop. You feel nervous. You feel blocked. If this is you, I want you to know something very important. This is normal. You are not alone. Many learners feel exactly the same way. And today, you are going to understand why this happens and how to fix it step by step. Let's start with a simple truth. Learning English is not just about understanding, it is about using the language. There are two key ideas you must understand: input and output. Input is everything you receive. When you listen to English, when you read a book, when you watch a video, that is input. You are putting English into your brain. Output is what you produce. When you speak, when you write, that is output. It is what comes out of your mind. Now here is the problem. Most learners focus too much on input and not enough on output. Think about your daily life. You watch videos, you listen to music, you scroll on your phone, you read posts. Every day you are receiving English. That is good. That is why you understand a lot. But how often do you speak? How often do you write? Not enough. That is why your brain understands English but cannot produce it. That is why you freeze. So the solution is simple but powerful. You must train your output every single day. And don't worry, we are going to do it step by step with simple English. Let's begin with writing. The first exercise is very easy. It is your warm-up. Every time you watch a video in English, I want you to write a comment. Just a simple comment. You can write, "I like this video. This lesson is helpful. I learned something new. This is easy to understand." Very simple. The goal is not perfection. The goal is action. You are training your brain to express ideas in English. Do this every day. Every video you watch, write something. Even one sentence is enough. Now let's go to the second step. I want you to start a daily journal. Every day, take 5 to 10 minutes and write about your day. Write 5 to 10 sentences. For example, today I woke up at 7. I felt tired, but I studied English. I watched a video and learned new words. I want to improve my speaking. Do not worry about grammar. Yes, you will make mistakes. That is okay. At this stage, your goal is to build the habit of writing. But here is something very powerful. After you write, you can use an AI like ChatGPT to correct your mistakes. Copy your text and use this prompt. I am trying to improve my writing skill. Find my grammar and vocabulary mistakes, explain why they are wrong, and show me the corrected version. Then, paste your text. This will help you understand your mistakes and improve faster. Now let's go to the third level of writing. Choose a simple topic and write one paragraph, about 100 words. For example, my dream life, my favorite food, my best friend, what makes me happy. Now try to be more careful with your sentences. Think a little more. Organize your ideas. When you finish, again, use ChatGPT or another AI. Use the same prompt. I am trying to improve my writing skill, find my grammar and vocabulary mistakes, explain why they are wrong, and show me the corrected version. Paste your paragraph and study the feedback. This is how you grow. Now let's go to the final level of writing. Write a longer text with 3 or 4 paragraphs. For example, why is learning English important? Is technology good or bad? How can we be successful in life? Now you are not just writing, you are thinking, organizing, explaining. After writing, again, use AI to correct your mistakes and learn from them. This is a very powerful system. Write, check, learn, repeat. If you do this every day, your writing will improve a lot. And remember, writing helps your speaking. Now, before we continue, take a moment. If you want to improve your English step by step with simple and clear lessons, subscribe now to Daily English JC. This will help you stay consistent and continue learning every day. Now, let's move to speaking. The first exercise is simple. Read out loud. Take a book, an article, or even your own writing and read it with your voice. Not in your head. Use your voice. This is very important. Speaking is like a muscle. If you don't use it, it stays weak. When you read out loud, you train your mouth, your pronunciation, your confidence. Do this every day for 5 to 10 minutes. Now let's improve this exercise. Stand up, walk around your room, and imagine you are speaking to people. You are not just reading, you are presenting. This makes your brain more active. It helps you feel more confident. Now, the third technique is very powerful. Shadowing. Choose a video with a clear speaker. Listen to one sentence, pause, repeat. Listen, pause, repeat. Try to copy the pronunciation, the rhythm, the emotion. Do not rush. Take your time. This technique will help you sound more natural. Now, the fourth technique is very powerful. Talk to yourself. Yes, talk to yourself in English. It may feel strange at first, but it is very effective. You can talk about your day. You can talk about your plans. You can share your opinions. For example, today was a good day. I learned new words. I think English is important because it helps me communicate. Just speak. Don't stop. Don't judge yourself. This builds fluency. Now, another powerful method is to practice speaking with AI. You can open ChatGPT or another AI with voice mode and start speaking. You can say, "Hi, I want to practice English. Can you ask me simple questions?" Then answer. This is very useful if you're shy or if you don't have a partner. Try to speak, not just type. Speaking is your goal. Now, the final step and the most important one, speak with real people. Yes, it is difficult. Yes, it is scary, but this is real communication. Find someone who is also learning English. Practice together. You will make mistakes. That is normal, but every conversation makes you better. Every time you speak, you grow. Now, remember this. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. Even 10 minutes every day can change your life. Small steps, big results. Now we are coming to the end of this lesson, but your journey is just beginning. So here is what I want you to do right now. First, subscribe to Daily English JC if you want more lessons like this. Second, go to the comments and write something in English. Even one sentence is enough. Tell me, what is your biggest problem in English? Start now. Do not wait, because the more you practice, the more confident you become. And one day, you will speak English easily, naturally, and confidently. Keep going. Don't stop. Your English journey starts today.